feedback. It's everything. Parang lahat ng emotions involved nandun sa love. So it's how you see it, kung gaano kalalim mo pa siya titignan, kung gaano mo kababaw titignan. Pero it's all about parang not just being in love with the person, but being in love with life itself with the person. So yun yung take on love.
O, kasi parang nakakagulat, parang ang bilis-bilis ng mga pangyayari. Parang kailan lang kayo umami ni China, tapos nagulat na lang kami, married na pala kayo, gano'n. So, gano'n ka-intense ang love niyo sa isa't isa na nag-decide kayo talaga to settle na.
Love is intense. I would say, and life is short. Kumbaga, we're all born to love and to be happy and to die one day. Pero, kumbaga parang if there's one perfect thing na mararanasan mo sa buhay mo, yung magmahal ng sobra-sobra, di ba? Yun naman siguro.
Ganun ang pagmamahal ninyo ngayon sa isa't isa. Ganun ka so.
Of course.
May church wedding na.
Well, thank you for asking us, Rory. Pero the thing is, me and my wife have talked about it and we discussed it na parang all the details about our lives and our marriage and our family, we would really like to keep it to ourselves, all the details. I mean, thank you for the respecting that too.
We understand. Pero last na lang din, since confirmation lang naman na she's on the way na. So, Gina.
She's what?
Si Gina ba pregnant na?
Well, the thing is, kasi po dahil I respect her decision that much and our decision as a family and our family's decision as well. Parang, I don't really want to give out like any details regarding us, but we are living a good life with a happy family na pag nagsalita ako ng detalye, baka matulog ako sa baba ng kama.
So parang you're not confirming na she's pregnant?
No details to answer actually because we